try being a judge, tasting 17 different duck curry.
This is international. Yeah. Right away, cook man. Uncle Wazir Khan. No, good answer.
You want though?
You want it?
Let me smell this for you.
I want to welcome you for us to the Everest Cricket Club duck curry cookout competition.
Fast winner. That's right. Hit me red dance. Dance.
Get Jesse buddy. Get Jesse. What is it? Right. What is it? You see? Kelas.
This action started many moons ago, and here we are in 2026 still celebrating because it was 188 years ago.
You hear what he said just now?
No, you gotta come here. Come here. I smell it. Come, you gotta come here. I smell it. Let me smell it.
To welcome every one of you today, all the participants, all the sponsors, and at the same time we want to thank God for having a very good weather today so far. I know it threatened a bit earlier. So again, I want to congratulate the winners in advance, whoever the winners are, but at the same time, we are all winners today. So thank you very much. Thank you for coming out here today in numbers, and let the party continues.
Go with 5th position, based on what the judges felt, accumulating 243 points. Drum roll, give it up to TG Tourism Guyana in 5th place. And I must say, I had a taste, a little bit go on in 4th position now. Well, welcome to the front, to the podium, so to speak. Amarapa's Meat Center. 244 points. We move to the winner in terms of boot presentation. Boys and girls, the judges say it was not easy, but it came down to a matter of 8 points. The champions in boot presentation, Ministry of Public Works, 277 points. Ramesh? And the team? For the Premier Insurance, 3rd place this year. It's just a matter of decimals. Boys and girls, we asked for 17, we had 17, now we're down to 2. If you're representing and if you're showing your support and if you cook for Sandy's Kitchen, come forward! Somebody cut the dog, somebody. I must say one thing. Let's thank the Ministry of Public Works first and foremost for being wonderful champions of 2025. You guys won a boot tournament already, but new champions will be crowned because you're not here right now. Ladies and gentlemen, the new champions of Everest Cricket 2026 edition, Team Bikers Hockey Club.
It's a memorable occasion, obviously, and 3 years ago we participated in this competition. We missed the last 2 years and we're back again. We put a lot of emphasis into the cooking.
Ladies and gentlemen, champions of Everest Cricket competition 2026. We have the celebration party that will begin now. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together.
Alright guys, welcome. This is Rajesh from the Everest Masters team or Everest Cricket Club. We had a fantastic day today. This has been going on since 2014. We started back then with about 3 teams, and compared to today, we are at 7 teams. So it shows clearly that we are having a fantastic growth in what we are doing, and people are proud of, or they're supporting whatever the Everest Masters team is doing. I want to thank all the competitors for being here, for supporting us. I want to thank all the supporters, the people who just came out to have a line. I want to thank them all for being here. We look forward for 2027, where we can make it probably a bit bigger.